Christmas decoration with pine cones, jars, recycling old things, and magical DIY crafts. Here are very amazing and interesting ideas for you. Welcome back to our cozy X-Mix corner. Today we are going to create something magical X-Mix decoration made from recycled jars, pine cones, and little treasures hiding around your home. Simple, mindful, and full of love. These crafts are not just decoration, they are memories in the making. So grab your old glass jars, a few pine cones, maybe some jute rope, or let's turn them into sparkling X-Mix wonders. Gathering materials. Before we begin crafting, take a moment to look around your house. You will be surprised how many beautiful things you already have. Old candle jars, tin lids, glass bottles, jute strings, burlap, cloth, or even leftover glitter from last year. And of course, pine cone, the little gifts of nature. They remind us that beauty doesn't always come from something new. Sometimes it's hidden in the old and forgotten. When you recycle, you are not just saving the planet, you are giving life a second chance. Let's begin with the pine cone. Gently clean them and dry them near sunlight or a warm place. The crackling sound as they open up is so relaxing, like nature whispering X-Mix greeting. You can leave them natural or dust them lightly with the white paint or glitter to create a snowy effect. A soft golden or silver tone gives them a rustic, festive charm. Each pinecone is unique, shaped by vine them just like us. Now take your old jar, it could be a mason jar, a candle jar, or even a small bottle. Wrap the top with jute rope or burlap for a warm farmhouse style look. You can tie a small bow using old lace or a piece of ribbon. Keep it simple and natural. Piece of pinecone inside, maybe add some dried leaves, cinnamon sticks, or tiny fairy lights. When the light glows through the glass, it feels like a little Xmas story trapped inside a jar. Peaceful, glowing, timeless. Adding personal touch. The beauty of handmade crafts lies in the personal touch. Add a small note, a name tag, or a message of gratitude. You are gifting it. Write something from your heart, like made with love, or for someone who lights up my world. You can also fill the jar with warm potpourri, dried oranges, cloves, or pine leaves. So every time someone opens it, it smiles like Xmas morning. Are you craft? Are you crafting? Yeah, you want to do crafting. It's very mindful and meaning. As you craft, take a deep breath, feel the texture of the pine cone, the roughness of jute, the coolness of glass. This moment is more than just decorating, it's mindful creation. It's not you tie every pine cone you place carries peace and focus. This is your time to slow down, to reconnect this with nature. Creativity and yourself. Creativity and yourself. It's a gentle reminder that X-Mix isn't about perfection, it's about love, warmth, and the joy of making something with your own hands. And there you have it. You recycle pinecone jar craft, a simple idea that shines brighter than any store bought decor. Display it on your table near the fireplace or gift it to someone special. It's not just a decoration, it's a piece of your heart. Thank you for spending the mindful crafting time with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more relaxing DIY X-Mix DIY. Until next time, stay cozy, stay creative, and keep the X-Mix spirit glowing. Thank you, be a part of this journey. Thank you for making this season so special. Thank you. Be a part of this journey. Have a very nice and very beautiful, glorious day. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. And make your home fulfilled with craft. Keep crafting. Keep doing something amazing. Keep doing very well. Have a very nice and full of creativity day. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Have a very nice and beautiful, glorious day. Thank you so much for being a part of this journey. Have a very nice and beautiful journey together and stay tuned with us. Wishing you a very very happy festival decoration. These are very interesting and most beautiful designs are here. So what do you think about? Let's start crafting, let's doing something, let's doing decorating. And